guys, just want to go ahead and bring you up another video today and let you guys know that I have made a Doom Book group. Just type in Doom Book and I'll have the description down below for the site for the group. If you guys want to go ahead and be a member and join, go ahead, that'd be great. Um, Once I get to 1,000 people on that, I will be doing a live stream there. So, because YouTube ain't going to have me do a live stream here, so I'm going to go ahead and just do a live stream there. Then once I get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, then I'm going to be doing YouTube. Also, I want to let you guys know about the pages of the Doom Book. I have upload them there. So only thing you have to do is go there, find them, click every single one, save them, and print them out. Basically, they are available for download for free purchase. 100% free. And also the membership is also free too for the group. Now, here's what today is my day off. Today's Saturday, my day off. I have to work Sunday, I have to work Monday. And I know this quarantine stuff has been driving people crazy, basically, because you guys are out of jobs. You guys can't afford bills right now. You guys can't hardly do anything. Places are closed, and people have to take extra precaution because of everything. Because, oh my God. So here's what I have been doing. Me and my wife, we have not been going out lately. So she's been staying home. I've been staying home. We basically have not been going nowhere. She hasn't been going out for a walk or nothing. She hasn't been going out to the gym because the gyms are closed. She has not been doing anything. Just basically sitting here and pestering me. So also today I got the room switched around. So basically that took from 1 o'clock. I just now got done doing it, and it's now. Let me check the time. It's now 8:28. So basically, it took me about 7 hours to do between rest and showers and eating. So here's what I have been doing. I'll show you guys. Now basically, I have to do a little bit more stuff right now, but we have our I moved the bed in here. I got rid of the box spring. Everything is pretty much right here. We got to put away some clothes. We did some laundry today. Oh crap, my keys to the bike. I forgot about them. So, without further ado, here's the the sign of Josh Customs. I don't know why it's backwards. I hope this fixes it. So if I open this door, it's dark as hell in there. But if I actually open it up and bring in here, now this is only a starting process right now. I have to get a new desk, and I'm getting like the desk I found right here is going bye bye. So here's what basically I got pretty much done so far. I got all my little knickknacks for the DeLorean over there. I got my workbench right there. And then there's the computer right there. And I even put down these mats right here that I purchased this recently. And I put these down. So when I get my new desk, I can put that right there. And my dad has to paint my thing for all my tools. So basically, this is all it's left right now. It's still in the process right now. I got the first shirt right up there. I got my other shirt right up there. I even got my uniform right up there. I got that hanging. So what's going to go down is this. I'm going to have a table right here that's going to have the DeLorean and the Ecto 1. And then once I actually be able to do the Terminator is going to go right here. So once I get the Terminator done, it's going to go right there. It's going to look awesome. I can't wait to get that started. So basically, yeah, this is all that's actually left. I got my backpack up there, got my ward up here. I got basically everything pretty much well taken care of. So that's basically all I did. This took about 7 hours, people, to do. Man, I'm dog tired. So hope you guys like this video. I will leave a subscription down below of the Doom Book group. I hope you guys will enjoy it and become a member. Yeah, and see you guys next time.